Today we're going to show you a packaging or a boxing of a sample soap order. I'm getting ready for my bath bomb release. So the first thing we're going to do is going to put a little bubble wrap in here for cushioning. Just case here, a little bit of tape. Just kind of hold it there till we're done. Alright, and strip on the other side. Tape in place. Alright, next we're going to add some gold tulle. Put it on the table so you can see it there. It's really lovely shimmery gold. One side. Lay it. Okay. Stay even here. Alright, across the other side there. Alright. Then we're going to add our soaps. So first soap we have up is the Oatmeal Milk and Honey soap. So we're going to go and place that in our box. Next is our Black Raspberry Vanilla. Does it look delicious? Smells wonderful too. Stick that there. Then let's see, let's add this one with the gold heart. Is our Egyptian priestess. This one has a blend of essential oils. One of my favorite blends. I love to use it at night for relaxing. Stick that in there. Alright, then let's add a freebie. And I'm going to add one of these bath bombs. So these are my new bath bomb tablets. The actual tablet is a little bit thicker than these, so it's about that thicker. So we're going to go our cute little box that we made here. Place out. So we're going to use this sensual bath bomb sample. The rose and ylang ylang essential blend is very sensual, hence the name. So we're just gonna fold these down, cross these two over, and just kind of stick that in there. Okay, now we're gonna add some paper shred. I like to pull my shred apart a little bit because I keep it in a bag. Okay, I think that's enough shred. Next, I would generally place my business card and the customer's receipt on top and fold it up, but because this isn't an actual order, we'll just kind of show you what goes next. So, this way. Turn it. This one this way. Alright, we got that down in there. Just nice and tight. Okay, then we take this tape off. That way. Then we'll place a gold heart. Right on top. And close up our box. And it's ready to be shipped off in the mail. Alright, thank you guys for liking. Click the subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Thanks for watching.